Hello everyone and welcome back to Bill's Workbench. I've got an unboxing to do. Haven't done one in a while and people seem to like it, so I'm going to do one. We're going to unbox this box that contains something that I know what it is. At least I hope I know what it is. It's paper. It's more paper. Oh, yeah, that's it. This is another Jeep. Why another Jeep? Well, the first Jeep, this one, although was okay, it was stepped on so bad, it's bad. This one, I hope, is not too bad, but it's got the wheels on it. So I'm wondering if I can actually use these wheels on my build. I'd have to find a new hubcap, but who knows? But maybe I can, maybe I can't. I don't know. But this one looks to me, it's still a little bent. Not quite as bad, is it? Not quite as bad as the other one, so that's good. Yeah, and it's got the trailer hitch. How can you go wrong with a trailer hitch? Yeah. I was hoping it didn't have that hole, but it does, and that's okay. It doesn't have the top piece, and that's okay. I have that here. We can move that over. But it looks to be a little crooked still, but hopefully that isn't as bad as this one was. This one got the kid's stamp or stomp of approval, and it's in a really bad shape. You can see that crease right there. So here we are. We have this. This is going to be on the TRX-4M platform. It's going to be made into a rock crawler. So there you go. I am going to 3D scan this, and I'll share that 3D scan on those places I share the 3D scans with. I'll probably have another video on that too. So yeah, look at that, another Tonka, and it's got both lights. It's almost complete except for that thing. Yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quickie unboxing.